It's been a while since I posted a video. This summer I got to go to Sweden, and as part of paying for the trip I started selling different crafts that I would make, specifically jewelry that was inspired by Scandinavian witchcraft and myth. I decided that I had to make a display that suited the modern yet somewhat old looking style that I like to try to achieve with my work. After 2 weeks away from the workshop, visions of what I wanted to make danced in my head. It was basically all I could think about. So I made my design in SketchUp, and I decided to make a display out of cherry and brass. I built a tapering jig for this project, and I got the design from a YouTuber that I'll link in the description. This jig works pretty well. I think the original YouTuber built it a little better than I did, as I was impatient, but it still works great, and I've used it for a few projects since. I wanted to experiment with brass as a joinery technique to offset the look of the cherry. I think it turned out great. I still haven't decided what kind of finish I want to put on it yet, but it looked good at the crafts fair with just a nice natural finish. By the way, if you're wondering why it was shaking, it's because of this little monster.